A Buy-Sell on the Cheap Guide. Buy-Sell on the Cheap Guide Introduction. One person's junk is another person's treasure. Sometimes you get ripped buying used or buying something from an online auction, at a garage sale or flea market. The rule is don't buy stuff that wears out. Furniture doesn't really wear out. You can buy a couch for $100 through a Craigslist ad that you would pay $1,000 for at a furniture store. Be wary about buying a used car because people hide problems with cars. You can buy stuff cheaper everywhere than you can pay for it at a retail store. It's just a matter of deciding what's worth buying used versus brand new. I can get t-shirts for about $2 to $3 each and windbreakers for about $5 at a thrift store. Some t-shirts at retail stores are $25 each. Some windbreakers are $70 each. There are websites for buying self-storage units like on those TV shows. There are grocery auctions where you bid for blocks or big packages of food. There are famous flea markets. There are flea markets on certain roads one day a year so that anyone can park on the side of that road and sell stuff. There are barter websites. Chapter 1. Sell your stuff. Sell your stuff 1. You might want to sell some of your stuff because you need quick cash, or you might want to simplify your life. Have you ever noticed that a lot of people who have just lost all the material goods they own as in a hurricane don't seem that fazed by it because it's just stuff? It doesn't affect who you are in your essence as a human being. You can sell stuff by holding a garage sale, renting a table at a flea market, putting up free ads on library and college bulletin boards, putting free ads in the local bargain hunter newspaper, and going on the internet, putting your stuff on either a local used stuff website. Some colleges have this option on their website for students to buy and sell furniture, or go on one of them auction websites like ebay.com. If there's an auction house near where you live, you might be able to put some things there that sell for a percentage commission. Sell your stuff too. If you have some antiques and collectibles, if you read up on it a bit, you might be able to advertise at the right website that will net you some good cash. Try Covels.com or TIAs.com for antiques. CSMOnline.com, Collectors Supermall. Kalmbach.com, magazines. ScottPublications.com. Zeta.org.au/SR Collectors Directory. AaronsPriceGuide.com. ActionFarmToys.com. Sell your stuff 3. Advertise on free classified ads websites. Advertise free in the local recycler newspaper. Hold a yard sale. Gazelle.com, buys old electronics equipment including computers. SimplyCellular.com, cell phones. Greenphone.com, cell phones. CashForCDs.com. SecondsPin.com, CDs. CASH4BOOKS.net. TonerBuyer.com, ink cartridges. RecyclePlace.com, toner cartridges. Chapter 2. Used goods for sale. Buying used goods for sale. NARTS.org, National Association Resale and Thrift. Half.com, used items at discount prices. HalfPricebooks.com, savings on books. Dumpandrun.org, student second-hand sales. EARTH9L1.org. Freecycle.org, free stuff. Obviously.com/recycle, the Internet Consumer Recycling Guide. TITLEtrader.com, trade books, DVDs, and CDs. Biddersge.com. Clevermoms.com. eBay.com. EHO.org/garagesale.htm. Half.com. RSDS.net/home/recycler. Secondhand.com. TheFrugalShopper.com. Theswap.com. Trader.com. Movers and storage places to buy stuff. These places often sell the stuff people abandon or don't pay on. You could get stuff cheap that you can resell. Selfstorage.org, 703-921-9123. Towserver.net, 800-728-0133, Towing and Recovery Association of America, AlliedVan.com, AtlasVanLines.com, Beacons.com, Moving CO, ChipmanCorp.com, GlobalVanLines.com, Mayflower.com, Shagard.com, Self-Storage Facilities, American Movers Conference, American Moving and Storage Association, 1611 Duke St. Alexandria, Virginia 22314, 703-683-7410, Moving.org, AmConf.org, Thrift Type Stores. Thrift stores exist in every reasonably sized city, often run by charities like the Salvation Army or Goodwill Industries, who receive all kinds of merchandise and donations from people and sell it at low prices. Why pay $15 for a new t-shirt when you can get a good one at a thrift store for about $2? You can buy blankets there, baby toys, dishes, furniture, etc. Consignment shops are stores where people bring things in like furniture, jackets, etc. And if they're sold, the person who brought the article in gets some of the proceeds while the store gets a cut for selling it. You can look them up in the yellow pages of your phone book under thrift store or consignment shop, or specifically look up Salvation Army or Goodwill thrift stores. An easy way is simply to drive around the lower class retail part of town, stop and ask people if there are any thrift stores around. Try number 380.145 at the library. Look through the website for your local city or county. Cancer.org, 800-227-2345, buy from their discovery shops. Consignit.com, consignmentguide.com, book about thrift stores. Consignmentshops.com, giftsinkind.org, goodwill.org, housingworksauctions.com, NYC thrift stores. levisjcc.org, Florida. mybargainstore.com, narts.org, 800-544-0751, National Association of Resale and Thrift Shops. nationalpawnbrokers.org, 817-491-4554. pawnshops.net. salvationarmy.org, salvationarmyusa.org. secondhand.com, secondhandland.com, secondhandsavevy.com, secondhand shopping information in BC, Canada. svdpusa.org, Society of St. Vincent de Paul, click on Stores. tgtbt.com, thearc.org, Association for Retarded Citizens, buy from their thrift shops. valuevillage.com, franchises all over America. yellowpages.com, National Association of Resale and Thrift Shops. 20331 Mack Avenue, Detroit, Michigan 48236. 800-544-0751. Fax, 810-294-6776. Webmaster at narts.org. narts.org. Chapter 3. A Garage Sale Guide. Set up a garage sale websites. squidoo.com/make money from garage sales. garagesalesource.com/articles. gtrickslowly.org. homesresource.com/garage_sale.htm, putting on a better garage sale. brandonrummages.com/s-tips.htm, rummage sale tips for sellers. sideroad.com/home_organizing/how-to-organize-a-yard-sale.html, how to organize a yard sale. moneyinstructor.com/art/garagesale.asp. 23house.com/garage_sale. Garage sale websites/yard sale websites. bestyardsales.com. dixiehighway.com, 90 miles of garage sale in Georgia in June. freecycle.org. freegaragesale.com. garagesaledaily.com. garagesaleplanet.com. GARAGESALES4U.US. LocallyArtSales.com. QuickGarageSale.com. RummageWisconsin.com/site_resource/article_index.htm, finding bargains, making money, scams. TeamEstateSales.com. YardsaleQueen.com. YardsaleSearch.com. YardsaleSupplies.com.